Are you going to be the Labour leader in 2016?
Yes, I will.
Will you be running for the general election?
Yes, I am, absolutely.
My job. Will you run in Dundee?
Yes, of course. I've had the honour to represent Dundee for 25 years now in the Dáil. Very proud of that. The job of work that we undertook, the job of work that I undertook at the beginning of the lifetime of this government was to bring about our country's economic recovery. That job is not yet done. We have a lot more to do. Yes, unemployment has dropped every month for the past 22 months. We're very proud of that. But 11.7% is still too high. And what I intend to do, and what the Labour Party intends to do, is to continue to work to achieve full employment. That's our objective. It's not kind of to have some half measure. It is to achieve full employment, to get people back to work, to improve the living standards and quality of life of people, and we're going to continue with that work.